Hi, my name is Janett Liriano, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of INARU. INARU is a sister-owned, vertically integrated chocolate company. We make chocolates that are organic, vegan, gluten-free, and toxin-free. I'm so excited to share with you one of our favorite bars, the Orange Fennel. This is a bar that really shows off the complexity of Dominican cacao. It's really rich. The citrus brings out the natural fruity tones that are in the chocolate, and the fennel gives it this earthy spice that I really feel is unlike anything else that's on the market. I think that the Orange Fennel bar just fits the holiday season perfectly. It'll bring the warmth of the tropics and really what we're doing at INARU to you. At INARU, we really believe that we're the best chocolate for the world. And we define that for ourselves with how we create impact for people, planet, and the process of making amazing products. We're really proud to be one of the few companies that pays at least 30% above the commodity price of cacao directly to our farmers. We also offer a direct incentive for every product that we sell that goes back to the communities. So when you buy our bar, you can know that they're sharing in the benefit of the finished product. So I hope that as you enjoy a bit of this orange fennel, you know that your joy is shared.